Hello from Slovenia again. I'm still in that mood that I do these dip and lip flowers, but today I will use the combination that I love to use for some balloon dips too. So I really like those colors together. They are kind of shades of primary colors, but not primary colors. I will talk about the colors later. I will pour my black base down first. Of course, all my colors are mixed with pouring medium to flow better, and I will use this spatula that Jacqueline sent me. Thank you, Jacqueline. So I really I'm not used to that, so I'm so used to use my palette knife that I will have to get used to it, but it's pretty cool, I should say. Okay, let's wipe it off, and then I will tilt that because I want kind of a smooth background with edges covered, of course, and now they are not, so I really like the one with this technique, dip and lip kind of. I call this dip and lip because I don't know, it's just, you know, an experimenting phase. I like the most the one that I did puddles, so I will do puddles today too, but I will try to do a little bigger bloom, bigger flower, how can I say. So I will just make sure that my sides are covered. They are. And now I will work without my gloves because I'm more used to work without gloves. Prefer, should say. Okay. So let's torch this a little bit first. For the air bubbles. And now I will start with my puddles, and I will start with pearl white. And I will go kind of here. I will do a bigger flower today. Let's do 4. I'm not good at making a circle out of it at all, but it doesn't matter. And next will be Amsterdam greenish blue. I really I like this color a lot. And pearl white again. I'm adding pearl white for hopefully some lacing and nice effects. And I will also use Extreme Sheen Gold for lacing, and this one is Permanent Red Violet Amsterdam Expert Series, not a standard one, because I like that shade more than the one from standard series. And now I will add Extreme Sheen Gold. And the last one is Amsterdam Nickel Titanium Yellow. It's kind of a brighter Naples yellow, or how can I say, I like this shade a lot. And I will go with pearl white again. Why I like these colors together, because I normally don't get mud or something out of it. Yes, you can get some green or some maybe like a Bordeaux red or burnt sienna kind of color, but not that ugly mud. This petal wants to be there, obviously, so and because my flower will be a little bigger, I hope, I will go for this minimalistic look again, that I will have just one flower without little ones, or maybe when I will do it I will change my mind. I don't know, but this is the plan, to have a lot of negative space, and I will add some green too, so hopefully that will help a little bit too. We will see. Like I always say, if you don't try, you don't know. So I will do just a puddle of paint here in the middle too. Let me maybe change the camera angle. Now I'm a little afraid to have gold, too much gold, I don't know. Let's see. Okay, and for the greens I will use my olive green deep and olive green light, like I normally do for greens, and I will add one dot here and one dot here and 1, 2, 3 here, and I will add gold between, not white, or this will really be too much gold, I don't know. And olive green deep. And then I will use a skewer to kind of draw some, I don't know how to say, petal shapes, or how can I say that, just draw some patterns before the napkin. So I will just go from the middle towards here And here the leaf will go towards there. Maybe this will not make any difference, but let's do it anyway. I like this kind of heart shapes. Looks nice. Now I will grab my paper napkin and spray it with water a little bit to soften it down, of course, but you can use the dry one if you want, as you prefer, you know. I just like to wet it down a little bit. And I will put my napkin in with the middle there, because there is a middle of my flower that I want to kind of drag from that middle of my flower, not the middle of the canvas. So, and I will gently touch this just to make sure that my napkin touches the paint everywhere. Okay, deep breath. Whoops. Okay, I will leave it like that. I will just try to drag kind of a stem here. But otherwise, I'm done. So, here it is. Maybe I should show you this way. So beautiful. I really love this yellow with the gold. I hope that you can see. And this red lacing over the yellow and this greenish blue, and these two leaves stayed, and this little one here. But I think that it's just amazing. Tell me what you think about it. And I think that it's really not so hard to get a really nice effects with this dip and lip technique, and an easy way how to paint with acrylics and paper napkin. So this is it for today. Oh, I'm still on staycation mode, so no live stream from me tomorrow, but see you soon. So take care and see you on the next one. Bye.